Leo, can you see my screen?
Yes.
So, okay, Leo, as I told you, in the linked list, when we have done it a few classes ago, the linked list actually have add and dot remove function. Okay, but why we are used when we use a queue, we are used to using enqueue and dequeue, right? So
Yes.
so that's why he created a simple function to enclose what the method that we used before. We said we use add and remove. So when he's adding, he just make a custom function in queue, and then inside it he put add. Okay, so it's as simple as that. If you don't want, then you can just use add directly without using the enqueue, but it's preferable to make it consistent with what you have learned. You have learned the linear queue, circular queue, and this is a dynamic way. So this is how it is implemented. Just simple add. Okay, and if you want to dequeue, this is simple remove. Just as simple as that. So the function here, the method is empty, is ready-made one. You don't need to really create one. No, actually, you really need, wait, let me check. I think you really need to, yeah. See here, you check the size, peak, yep. No, you don't really need to use one. Is empty, I believe. I think it's checking the size, if I'm not mistaken. It's checking the size. I think it's checking the size. Let me confirm that for you. Give me a second. It is checking the size. No, it's empty actually. Yes, get size is checking the size. Let me share with you here. Come. Can you see my screen, right?
Yep.
So Leo, here the is empty is actually an enclosure and is still using is empty with a queue. Okay. And here the get size is an enclosure and is using the ready-made function dot size. So dot size is a method and is empty is a ready-made, both ready-made methods that belong to the linked list. And the same goes with remove and add. So remove and add is ready-made functions that you can utilize. So do you tell me now, is it difficult to really make to use this enqueue and dequeue for the for the dynamic?
No, not really, I think.
Okay. Are you able to write that code as an exercise? But not now. I mean, in the next tomorrow class. So because
Yeah.
I know again, this is simple, and it's not worth that we waste the time in. We need to think of other complicated stuff that we can deal with. Okay.
Yep.
Is it fine?
Yes.
So you will share with me tomorrow how you write
Yep.
that code. Okay.
Yep.
Good. Now, my question to you now. This is a really interesting example. So I want you to write an exercise function now that can reverse a queue. So if you have an original queue like that, this is a queue of strings. It is having a car 1, car 2, van 1, car 3. This is the front pointer, this is the rear pointer. So tell me, how can we actually reverse that queue? This is the form that we want to see. That, okay, this is the reverse queue, this is the end, car 3, van 1, car 2, car 1. So what do you think we can do to be able to reverse it?
Well, what you could do is just every time you dequeue, just assign like each to a different variable, so you can just put it in reverse order afterwards. But there's probably a more efficient way to do it.
Okay, we have studied how many. Okay, now how many ADT or dynamic structures we have studied so far? Linked list, stacks, and queues, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how the queue works?
That's first in, first out in terms of structure.
Yes,
Queues.
okay, but give me an example of the stack.
An example of a stack.
Yes.
Like a real life example, or like,
Yes, yes, yes.
I mean, if you have like a stack of plates, then you can't like take off the bottom ones. Like you have to, like, the ones that you take out first are the ones that you put in last.
It's like that, right? This is a stack, this is the
Yes.
plates, right?
Yes.
Okay, so is it, this is opposite to the queue? So we always take out from here, and we always put from here, and we also take out from here. So this is in and out. So, but here, this is out, and here is somehow, we can say in. So we input from here, we take out from here. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So are we able to utilize the stacks to be able to help us here?
Um, well, if we well, because if we want to like reverse it, then just
So my question now goes, if we have, if we start to loop through this queue, and we here inserted car 1, and here we inserted car 2.
oh, I see. Yeah, if you like insert the like contents of the queue into a stack, then when you like pop it out, it will be in reverse order.
Okay, so now you managed to catch the idea, right? Are you able
Yes.
to implement it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, I share with me the screen, please. Do you need me to send you any slide?
Yeah, just like the synth actual uh uh actually I could search it up myself, but it would be nice to have like the syntax for like the dynamic stacks into queues.
Yeah, okay. This is the code for that. So Leo, never ever, never ever write any code be outside the main. So this should go here. Yes, here, yes. And the import can be here, yes. There is no worries about this.
But like better again, just like
Sorry again.
uh,
Java you dot util dot q. Let me then.
is that correct?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
I have the slide for the reversing exercise.
Yes, okay, sure. So this is method signature, and here is in the stack we use push and pop.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Leo, are you stuck?
Yeah, I'm not sure what to do after this. I mean, I guess I have to test it first.
Yes, yes, sure. But then it means that you need to put something in your queue, right?
Yeah.
You need to fill in the queue with something.
Yeah.
So Leo, don't be confused. If you go up, please go up to the top of the screen. Okay, so Leo, what we did here is that we created already a queue here. Okay, why didn't we use it inside the main method? There is a reason for that. If you can remember, linked list and stacks, we didn't define them outside here. We go down inside the method main and we define them. Previously, linked list was defined inside the method main, but here we do different. This is a logic reason for that. So if you can see here, so Liu, can you stick to up, please? Can you see here? We are using the queue without even passing it inside as the enqueue parameter. Because why? Because we define the queue here in the global region. So we are able to access it in this way. If we put it inside main, then it means that every time we use enqueue or even dequeue, you have to pass in the queue as a parameter. Did you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
You sure? If you are not sure, take that line in line number 8, put it inside main, and see if this enqueue will work or not. So remove it or make it comment here like that. Comment it here. Now try to call this enqueue function. Pass it a name or a string and try to call it. Okay, run. Okay, what is the errors? So just
Well, first of
remove the
all,
word static. No, just yes, exactly, yes. Okay, run now. How many errors we managed to get rid of? Okay, small errors. Go up. So we want to understand, okay, cannot find simple queue. So inside the enqueue itself, you're calling this queue variable. But actually he does not know where is it defined because he defined it inside here. And it become local inside main. Outside main, he does not know what is queue. So this is a local variable. And here is for global variable. Do you know the difference?
yes.
Okay, so when I decide to define it up, I define it for a reason to make it global. So it become every function here can use it directly. Does this make sense? So comment it here and uncomment the one up so that it works again. Yes. Okay, try to run. What is the errors? One error?
Yeah.
Okay, so method enqueue, variable queue of type queue string. Cannot find simple queue. Let me see.
I just have to
Yes, exactly. Yes. So you see now,
Yes.
okay. So you have to enqueue all the according to the exercise: car 1, car 2, van 1, car 3. Then you have to call the reverse.
Once you create a stack, though,
Yes, you have to create a stack. Yes.
you'd have to, oh,
Stack of strings. Yes, but then you have to also wait. When we define a stack, we have to uh, put something here. The data type also we have to say stack like that, and we put the data type. And stack is capital, S is capital. Okay, good. Yep. And then here you put the name of the stack. Okay, good. So to be frank, actually, that is this string is not needed. We already define it as a stack of strings here. So just leave empty. No, I mean new. No. I mean wait. Yes, yes. Stack. Just use empty. Bigger than or equal to that. Yes, and yes, and two brackets, please here. So here like that. Yep. Okay. Done. You can call. Okay, where is the error? 46. Empty stack exception. $46.
well, I'd have to print it out. No. If I want to print it out, do I just like defue it or?
No, you have to loop through it. If you want to print the queue out, then you have to loop through it. We cannot print it just by one command.
Within here or
Yeah, you can define a function that is outside here. Okay, but Leo, I want you to do that tomorrow because I want you to do it as an exercise because I want to pass you I want to explain another exercise to you, please.
Yes.
So can you show me that tomorrow, please, to confirm that the queue is reversed?
Yes.
Okay, and please, yeah, never mind. We talk about that tomorrow. Let me share then, please, my screen. Let me share my screen. So, Leo, do you know what is polymorphism? Leo?
Yes. Yes.
You okay. Have you done exercises on that?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, Leo, I would like you to have a look at this function, at this class exercise. This is the class context. Okay. So I'm not giving you the class, but I'm giving you how the constructor of the class looks like. And so this is all parameters given to the constructor, and it need to be saved inside the class. The class name is contact. So you have to build that class, and that is an array of the class contact. How many contacts there? It is 10, from 0 to 9. Tomorrow, I would like to see that class built, because we would like to know what kind of operations that we are able to do on that class. Okay, are you able to do that?
Yes.
So you have 2 homework, right?
Yes.
You will share with me the output of the queue to make sure that it's already reversed, and to build that contact class. Okay, immediately now, because and normally it takes time to be able to compile the slides and the videos. So I will send you immediately now this class context slide. Okay, and then see you tomorrow then. Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, see you then. Bye bye.